What have we got here? Little puppies. Hello? Who's that? It's a brown one. Who's this here? Ah. Say hello. Hello, little puppies. Oh, there they are. Yeah. What's this one doing over here? Where are you? You're cool in the... There you go. Oh! What's happened? Oh!
How's the puppy situation?
Yeah, they're good.
We're getting bigger.
Yep.
They're double the size.
Fat already. Big fatties.
Which one's fat?
Big fat slugs.
It's nice for the sunshine there, isn't it? Why are they not on the...
She just came out. Oh, look at the little brown one.
Which one? Oh look, it's cool, isn't it? Where's the other one? I thought there was 4.
There is.
Where's the other one?
It's hiding.
You squashed that?
That's squashed.
Where is it?
It's just having a little rest. This one's stuck. Where is he? Come on, silly.
You got water bags?
Oh good, right, let's get one, let's fill that. No, not too far.
In the wrong way, mate. Take a right.
Has somebody stolen one of them?
Take a right, silly. And say hello then. Oh!
I've got a big bowl of kitchen roll. See it, Tasha?
Oh!